So today is the day. The weather is good. The guys have arrived. There's 21 310 watt panels in the van. Actually, it didn't look like that many. They might have to make another trip to get some more. Very much looking forward to see how it goes. So we're going to take some video during the day, maybe put a bit of a time lapse together to show it going on. So the panels we're getting, originally they were supposed to be 300 watt panels, but they couldn't source those, so we've got the 310 watt panels instead. Here they are, they're Jinko 310 watt panels. They're all stacked up there in the van, looking very nice and ready to go. So that's the west part of the roof. They're going to put 9 panels, I believe, on the west side there with the antenna on it, and 12 panels on the north facing part of the roof. We've done one side of the roof. The guys are working on the other side at the moment. They haven't actually put them on properly. They're just laying flat on the roof at the moment, not installed. But it's amazing how quickly this is going. Now the guys told me that they don't just do installations for Captain Green, but they also contract for installations for other companies. Some of them they've mentioned were Euro Solar, Just Energy, and Think Solar, I think they said they did, but Captain Green they said has the best deal on the panels. So that's good to know. But yes, progressing. It's amazing to see it all coming together. North side panels are now attached, fixed in their final location. Moved a few tiles around the place. The guys are done, they've packed up, they've gone. We've got our panels, got 12 of them, all done there. It's getting a bit dark now, so just trying to show it all before the light goes. 9 panels there, making a total of 21. And the inverter, the power light was on, showing that when it's solidly on, it's showing that it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Now I had a lot of trouble getting that going. It wasn't that simple. If you tried to use the iPhone app, I would recommend against trying to set up the Wi-Fi using the app and instead going on your laptop. So there's 2 sets of instructions. Use the one that's for your laptop, and even that wasn't simple. I had to have a couple of different goes at it because it didn't recognise the password, and because it didn't know what kind of encryption and stuff was being used for the password, so it was a bit of trial and error. But now it's working. It showed that it's logging the information to the Goodwe portal, and you can see it on the laptop and on the phone, so it's all good. So it's all done.